Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can add widgets like this on your home screen. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to add your widgets, here you have to press on this blank space. Okay, suppose this is the blank space, just press on this blank space. After you press on it from here, on this up side you can see on the corner here is the plus icon, so just click on this plus icon. When you click on plus icon, you can add your own photo, you can add this everything. Okay, you can add apps, you can add this one, let's play, can you score, you can add notes, even you can add this one also, add someone you trust. Okay, so which one you want to add, you can select. Okay, suppose I want to add this one, then after that here is the add widgets, just tap on it, then here your widgets will be added. And if you want to remove this all which is moving, then just click on the blank screen. Okay, suppose this is the blank screen, I just tap on this blank screen and it has been removed. So you can easily add your widgets on your screen. And friends, hope you love the video. If you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.